Today we're going to talk about pinch points and hand injuries. Now, we use our hands for virtually all the work tasks that we do. Because of how often we use our hands, they are put in the line of fire where they can be injured. Hand injuries are the second leading type of injury on the job in the United States. A major type of injury to the hands and fingers on the job result from crush by incidents. Pinch points are a hazard that leads to crush by injuries. So let's define what we mean when we're talking about pinch points. A pinch point is something that we define as any point where it's possible for a body part to be caught between moving and stationary portions of equipment. Pinch points are found in many places throughout the workplace. Tasks such as equipment maintenance, lifting materials, doing any kind of assembly line work, hooking up trailers are just a few common tasks where pinch points are a common hazard. So, what are some of the safeguards to avoid pinch points? First, try to eliminate the hazard by ensuring that the proper guarding is in place. Do also pay attention to where your hands are when they're around any moving parts or any objects that have the potential to move. Don't place your hands where you cannot see them. Also, wear the proper gloves for whatever work task you're completing to reduce the amount of damage to your hands if they do end up in the line of fire. When working on equipment or machinery, ensure that they're properly locked out and tagged out to prevent unexpected startup. Properly block any equipment or parts where stored energy could possibly be released. Then, when working with others, make sure to communicate to let each other know if you're out of the line of fire before moving objects or starting up equipment. So, oftentimes it's not the obvious pinch points that injure a person, such as a conveyor belt or a piece of moving machinery. Many times, tasks as simple as shutting a truck door will end up in a pinch point injury due to a person not paying attention to where their hands are. It's important not to get complacent and to monitor where your hands are when you complete any task. This is a brief summary of this discussion. We could have a longer one, but at this point, this is perhaps the easiest and most direct way for us to address this matter of pinch points and hand injuries.